Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, I'm gonna make FUTOMAKI Sushi Roll from scratch. 3rd of February is the day of Setsubun in Japan, which is known as Bean Throwing Festival and eating sushi roll for dinner. I'm gonna show you how to roll up sushi roll successfully and how to prepare nori seaweed in 3 ways. So please watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Pour water into handai. At the same time, cook 2 cups of white rice for sushi. There are dried shiitake mushrooms. It contains lots of umami, savory. Pour 1 US cup or 250 cc of water. Cover water surface with a fruit wrap to submerge the shiitake. Soaking them overnight is ideal. If you don't have time, microwave for 1 to 2 minutes to warm them up. If they microwave, let them sit over 30 minutes, then use. Normally, egg roll should roll up from the back to the front, but roll it up vertically because it's completely the same size of nori sheet. For the detail for how to make egg roll, please watch my previous video. This is yakinori, non-flavored seaweed for sushi roll. There are the front and the back, and the front side should be on the outside of sushi. Now let's re-roast them to make crispy and tasty. I'm gonna show you 3 methods of re-roasting. Turn on a low flame, hold the nori above the fire and move back and forth. Put the nori in the toaster oven for a few seconds, then turn over sometimes. Be careful of over roasting, otherwise it shrinks. Place the nori on a pan and heat it up for 5 seconds. Turn over sometimes until its color turns bright and green. Any other method is available if it makes nori dry and crispy. Drizzle a half amount of vinegar mixture over the rice. Flop and toss the rice in cutting motion. Add the rest of mixture and keep tossing the rice gently. Place the nori vertically with the rough side facing up. Wet your palm with water. Place a bowl of sushi on the nori sheet. Spread the rice on top. Be careful to spread evenly, especially the both sides of edge. And open the space 1 inch or 3 cm from the far edge of the sheet. At first, place a smaller filling on the rice. Pile up a firm or long filling over small pieces to hold together. It becomes a core when you roll it up. Lift it up and pour to fold the bottom of the nori over on itself. Adjust one edge of the rice to another edge of the rice. The nori meets at both edges of the rice. Then apply light pressure to help mold the roll. Overlap the rice-free edge of the nori to create the seal. Tighten the both sides of rice if needed. How did you like it? Setsubun means break between seasons in Japanese because it's a day before the spring equinox. Please enjoy delicious homemade sushi roll and celebrate the official beginning of spring with your family. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!